Hello, good evening, friends. So, this is course time here. This is the course time we are uploading different based courses to new technologies. Recently, we have uploaded the second lecture of operating system. If you didn't watch it, then go to our playlist, then select the playlist operating system. Simply watched. Here is our course playlist new course playlist we are going to create, that is um, welcome to final year projects. Like that means this simply we are providing different first year to final year engineering projects that are counted in the different semesters from 1 to 8 semester. Simply we will go to our drive, then we will select project course, then welcome to our final year projects. Okay, so welcome to our final projects. This is course time. So we are creating these projects as successful 100% running code with code and different many advantages to the students. So this is course times. So course time, we have currently 720 subscribers, 384 videos. Our next subscriber goal is 800. So this is the course time. Started by means we are in engineering graduates to overcome a problem that we faced during our academic years, that is like providing solutions. During our development journey, the important challenges we faced was an untrained engineering process. I am also a students. We are also a students. Like we are facing different problems regarding in the engineering, like uh, about the projects, creating projects, 100% training projects. So to overcome this, we offered practical based trainings to final year graduate students. So this is also important, useful to first year to final year projects. Like the development team started training the young students on the project work, from our topic selection to technology stack to implementation of the project. So we are one of the first to offer projects to train students in cutting edge technologies from latest hardware development boards. We are providing projects on very latest technologies like Python learning, Python with machine learning with Python AI, Java, different web developer or different web pages. Projects are also available. Trending software development tools like AI, machine learning, etc. on multiple domains like cybersecurity, networking, blockchain, etc. So our projects includes our advantages or full access to projects includes our base paper, our diagrams, existing systems, reports, PowerPoint presentations, reference paper, synopsis, video explanation, and these are 8 advantages if you get the full access to the project. So if you simply want the full access to project, so simply drop a mail to course t029@gmail.com. So on that Gmail we will get in touch for regarding full access to projects. For example, this is our new folder. For example, this is the first project, so we are going to upload on the YouTube. So simply in this playlist we will discuss about the different projects. For example, this is our first project, intrusion detection. If you get full access to the project, for example intrusion detection, so you will get 100% code, base paper, diagrams, existing system, format report, semester 1, ideas resection report, semester 2, login registration or drawing presentation, or simply semester 2 report, synopsis video. For example, you will get two videos each for each project's explanation or creation. For example, this is the 100% code. Simply, for example, this is the attack, DDoS attack, like intrusion detection. So this is our complete access to our playlist. Okay. So simply we will wait a second. Okay, so this is our diagrams existing. For example, 100% code. So readers, these are the main files for this project. So simply if we simply click on open with code, so here is our project, open with VS code. For example, this is our main GUI file. Okay, this is our main GUI file. This is the complete program or face login with face login program, face registration program. These are different JPGs that we are going in the creating this application. For example, if you didn't trust us, like for example, we are going to run this project for your support, and like so here is our project run. So simply we will log in through our username password. So this is our interface. So this is the second option, register. So this is our interface, and the third option is exit. Okay, so this is the registration interface. So simply we will add course name, course, time, address, India, email, toasty029@gmail.com. Simply we will add phone number as 12345678910. Okay, so age simply we will add as 0. Username simply we will add as course. Time, password simply add password capital COURSE @ 7080. So this is our interface for registration page. So these are, there are many also more, like face registration interface, face login interface. This is the complete process that you can also show in your engineering. Okay, so this is the complete explanation or example for intrusion detection project explanation. This is the introductory video of welcome to final year projects. So simply then we will go to our channel. So these are our social media handles. So this is the Instagram account, that is course times, COURSATIMS. So please go to this social media and simply follow to the course time. We also have Facebook account or page, that is course time page. So here we also add the different goals or latest upcoming playlist. We also have the LinkedIn account. Here we will post some different post activities or attaching different notes to our post playlist. So this is our Twitter account. Okay, so in the latest community post I will also upload the regarding this welcome to final year projects course playlist. So we also updated the latest upcoming four courses, that is course name, MS Azure available. If you want a full course complete tutorial or remaining course videos or access to all videos of the course, simply drop a mail to courset029@gmail.com. This is the Linux course, this is the AWS course, this is the design go course, because many students are requesting different type of courses. So here I am attaching the different course playlist that are available on this course time YouTube channel. So I will upload this current course playlist, that is welcome to final year projects, in the no time. So simply go to home. So this is the introductory video. So please subscribe to our channel, share to many students. Thank you.